You sell courses on Teachable like me, right? Well, stick around if you want to learn how to calculate your break-even point. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my net profit calculator. So let's dive in. All right, so I have a school on Teachable and I have a course that I'm trying to price. And so I wasn't quite sure how many courses I would have to sell to break even. So I thought I would create a calculator. So I'm calling this my net profit calculator. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get a hold of it yourself. So what I did was I went to Teachable and I took the data that they have in their pricing tables for both the monthly plans and the annual plans. And then I went over to the page that lists all their transaction fees and processing fees. So I took all this data and put it into a Google Sheet. And the magic here is the trigger in column B will take the data that's calculated within column C and copy it over to column D. So I'm going to go through the basic plan. I've got an example here for you. And so for the payment frequency, I went with annual, and that's $348 instead of $468. And for the transaction fee, as soon as you select yes, then the value calculated in C, which is price of course times units sold times 5%, gets copied over into column D. The processing fee, I assumed the sales were being made by U.S. customers, and they're either using PayPal or credit card. And so that is a 2.9% fee with every unit sold times 30 cents added to that. And the last two, you can see the processing fee goes up to 3.9% for international credit card payments and 4.4% with international PayPal. So all three have the extra 30 cents per unit. And so next I just add up that column there and I get $380.80 for selling 4 courses at $100. And so I calculate the net profit there and I can see that selling 4 courses will render me a break-even situation. So I thought, well, that's pretty good. So now I can use this calculator to play around with the price for the course and how many units I need to sell. If I go down to 3, there I'm definitely not making any money. That's not what we want, right? Well, I hope you learned something, and if you want to get a hold of the calculator, just head on over to cynthianorman.com. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.